What is this? Oh my god, it's a book. It's old. I'm gonna bring it inside and look at it. So, this weird book. It has like a Medusa or something on it, so I'm gonna go outside and take a look at it. Yeah. So, yeah. I know, weird. I found this book. Yeah. Previously on the magic book. Maybe I'm gonna go outside. Probably, if it takes me to do stuff on my... Oh my god. Oh my god, what is it? It looks like a book of some sort. Dun. So I'm gonna search this book up. I mean, like, what could it possibly be? Feels hard, like there's something inside of it. I mean, like, weird green book. Wait a second. Weird green book. It shows the elements of Earth and different types of different symbols. Book is not yet finished. Write in it if you dare. You can write your own story and it'll come true. Some people have even wrote horror stories in this book, and then got transferred into the book with the book, and then erased it because it was too hard, and then they were erased with it. Cool but scary. So, probably crack this sucker open and see what it is. So, yeah. Okay, so let's open it. It's like a little tie thing here. So let's untie it. Got it. Oh no, there's more of these. Unwrap it. Okay, so I got the book. Lock. Now let's open it. Whoa, what? What is this? It's like a dolphin necklace or something. Well, and out of the collection of my gems that I have, not sure really what I want, but it's the book. Pentagram? Why is there a pentagram? Whatever. Well, it looks like life is weird now. Let's check out the next page. Yin Yang symbol? I know that symbol. Oh no. Everyone knows that symbol. Oh, this one's really faded, but I think it's a Cancer symbol. And the rest are blank. Probably people have written stories, but then it got too scary. I'm gonna wear the necklace. No, where did I put that silly thing? Where did I put it? Here it is. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let's put this on. Really tied a knot, but whatever. Let's put this on. Pretty cool. I don't know if it feels good. I'm gonna take this one off, but it doesn't point out the good side. Let's go back to this. Here we go. Oh, tangled. Ow. Oh, that's how. There we go. Let's put this one on. Wow, looks nice.